Hi, Tom Hughes here from GembaDocs, and this is just a short explainer video on how to make a red-green task board, or some people call it a Kamishibai board, with GembaDocs.
Brought to you by GembaDocs.com.
The first part of the video is from our friends at Gemba Academy and just explains the brief overview of what a Kamishibai board is and why you might find it useful. And the second part of the video is how you use the cards printed on this sheet that you've just scanned the QR code from, about how you can make an even better Kamishibai board than the one that the guys from Gemba Academy showed you. So I hope you enjoy the video, and now over to Gemba Academy. Thanks.
Here's an example of TPM on a preventive maintenance board for PMs on the Acme grinder. We use it like a Kamishibai board where you have some daily tasks, weekly tasks, and monthly tasks. And you do a simple card system where you do green and red. So in this particular task for daily, check the coolant levels, and you do it at the start of the shift. The same thing is written on the other side. So at the beginning of the week, you'd have beginning of the day, you'd have this in all red. When the operator completes the task, they would come up to the board and just flip it over to say it's been completed. Now we have a visual that these have been done already today, these have not. Same thing for the weekly. At the beginning of the week, you turn these over to red, and then as the operator completes them, turn it over to green, and then at the end of the week, you flip them all back over for red. And then monthly, do the same thing. Within the month, as you complete them, you flip it to green. At the end of the month, you flip them all back to red and start all over again. Great visual system, very simple, easy to do, that you can create in your office, and anyone can walk by and see the status of the PM.
So prior to introducing the red-green card feature, we already had GembaDocs clients creating Kamishibai boards with the QR codes, but it was very cumbersome and labor intensive to create the cards. So that's why we introduced this new feature. So now you have the Kamishibai cards fully printed out. There's 3 different kinds. You can have the QR code for PDF where you don't need the app. You just scan it and it'll take you to the PDF of the SOP. This one, if you scan that, you need the mobile app, but you can view it step by step on the app. And that's my favorite way to view SOPs in GembaDocs. And finally, if you've added a video link to your SOP, you'll get this one. So you need to choose which one you want to use, cut them out, put them in a credit card size laminate, and you've got both sides here. And we even put this little light hole, if you're going to put a hole in it, to tell you where to put it. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you've got any more questions, reach out to me. I'm Tom on the contact developer form within the app. Have a great one.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to make standards fast and easy, visit GembaDocs.com or download our app on Apple or Google Play stores.